PTC is proud to present Creo 12 and Creo Plus, the latest versions of our award-winning, powerful, yet easy-to-use CAD system. PTC's Creo is a parametric 3D CAD system that helps you deliver your best designs in less time. Creo 12 delivers innovative CAD tools for designing with composites, conducting real-time simulation, and streamlining manufacturing with expanded model-based definition and electrification capabilities. Creo 12 provides an on-premises solution, while Creo Plus delivers a SaaS solution with cloud-enabled collaboration and entitlement tools. With every Creo release, PTC introduces improvements to make design engineers more productive every day, including updates inspired by you, our customers. With an intuitive interface coupled with streamlined workflows, Creo 12 includes feature presets, new and enhanced geometry creation tools, creation of flat assemblies from multi-body parts, and improved wind-chill interaction. What's New highlights and enhanced tooltips provide design engineers with the resources needed to maximize the full potential of Creo. Design engineers are finding applications of composite materials in more products than ever. Creo 12 delivers market-leading fidelity and accuracy in advanced composite structure design with innovative tools that enable engineers to efficiently design, simulate, and manufacture composite parts. Creo 12 provides faster, more accurate creation of solid geometry from composite layers and can create an associative manufacturing reference model. You can now merge plies from different zones, expanding your conceptual composite design capabilities. With new industry-leading tools, Creo 12 delivers the world's most robust, scalable composite structure design capabilities. Creo now gives you more powerful model-based definition and data exchange tools to provide greater clarity with less effort. With Creo 12, child annotations inherit semantic references from the parent, avoiding the repeated process of manual selection of references. GD&T Advisor provides advanced selection support for intent surfaces and rule-based surface collections, making it easier to define and validate semantic references of annotations. Creo 12 offers improved file export capability, including 3D PDF and STEP AP242 Edition 3. With a model-centric approach, Creo ensures that all product information is accurately defined within the 3D model, providing the right information to the right person at the right time. Creo simulation-driven design helps engineers iterate and optimize designs early in the design process with award-winning generative design and real-time ANSYS simulation tools. With Creo 12, engineers can leverage AI-powered generative design for thermal optimization studies, in addition to structural and modal analysis. Creo 12 has updated ANSYS solvers with simplified and improved results for both Creo Simulation Live and Creo ANSYS Simulation. Creo is the ideal choice for designing for additive and subtractive manufacturing. With Creo 12, engineers can now use additive manufacturing to design conformal cooling channels in injection molded tools for optimal results. Additive has also enhanced capabilities for connecting and customizing lattices. Subtractive manufacturing is now better than ever, with undercut high-speed milling capabilities to accomplish more with 3-axis milling machines. Creo is a powerful solution for routed systems design and manufacturing. With Creo 12's comprehensive toolset, the entire process, from system diagram to 3D harness routing and manufacturing, is more streamlined than ever. Engineers can now take advantage of redesigned tools to build harnesses as assemblies with improved cabling data management, component reuse, bill of materials generation, and team collaboration. PTC's Creo Plus is a parametric 3D CAD system with the power and proven functionality of Creo, delivered via SaaS. In addition to all the capabilities of Creo 12, Creo Plus includes enhanced collaboration tools to enable multiple team members to view, explore, comment, and edit part design in real time. CAD administrators will appreciate the cloud-based desktop tools for managing company profiles and configurations, as well as auto-assignment of license entitlements and profiles. Creo Plus is forward-compatible with on-premises versions of Creo for better interaction with engineering colleagues and suppliers. Award-winning Creo is better than ever, with exciting improvements to the tools you use every day. plus new capabilities, all fully integrated into the easy-to-use Creo interface. Powerful, innovative, easy to use. Deliver your best designs in less time with Creo 12 and Creo Plus.